Hello my dear students and friends, how are you? Good evening everybody. Do you know about Subhash Chandra Bose and what was the role played by Subhash Chandra Bose in Indian politics? And what was the importance of Subhash Chandra Bose during Indian independence? How Subhash Chandra Bose was died? So generally, Subhash Chandra Bose means it was a Indian freedom fighter. He was a great philosopher also. He was a great political leader also. He sacrificed his life for our independence. Britishers, for nearly 3 years, they plotted a conspiracy to kill Subhash Chandra Bose. As Subhash Chandra Bose made some ruthless events against the administration of Britain when Britishers ruled our country. As a rulers, Britishers, they exploited our Indian wealth, already you know mostly. During the period 1941 to 1943, the period of 3 years, Subhash Chandra Bose played a predominant role in Indian politics or Indian national movement. So, all came to know that INA was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose. The name was suitable to Subhash Chandra Bose only. Indian National Army. Azad Hind Fauj, the slogan of Indian National Army was Jai Hind. But actually, Subhash Chandra Bose didn't form INA actually. Actually, INA or Indian National Army was founded by British soldier named as Mohan Singh, a retired officer of Britain. But when it was formed, why it was formed, by whom it was formed, so doesn't know anybody. Up to entering of Subhash Chandra Bose in INA. Whenever Subhash Chandra Bose entered INA as a member of INA, and then INA became more popular in Indian freedom movement. From then onwards, INA as well as Subhash Chandra Bose, both were coincident words to the British government. And then British government, as Subhash Chandra Bose, he is trying to quit Britishers from our country to save Indians, to get independence to our country. So many activities made by Subhash Chandra Bose under this INA against Britishers. Whenever Subhash Chandra Bose joined INA, INA became more powerful, already I told you. So in this way, all students, majority of the students or majority of the human beings, they came to know that INA was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose. But it was absolutely wrong. INA was founded by Mohan Singh. But unfortunately, some members from all kinds of sections in our country, they joined with a great enthusiasm as a members of INA. But Britishers, they arrested or imprisoned these all members as they supported to INA and Subhash Chandra Bose also. After they were imprisoned by so many movements Subhash Chandra Bose started against Britishers, finally they came to know, British government came to know that Subhash Chandra Bose was died in an air crash when it was arrived from Delhi to Tokyo. In an air crash, suddenly he was died. So this matter was came to know by the Britishers. Afterwards, Britishers, they arrested so many members who gave support to INA when Subhash Chandra Bose was alive. Thank you, Varanda.